After snapping the handle on the vise, I think I was a little depressed. I didn't say much for a while. But here I'm trimming out the mortises for the cross pieces. Well, that works pretty good. There's no dust in the air at all. All it is a cheap 20 by 20 furnace filter over the top of a 20-inch fan. And it really does a great job of keeping the dust down. Now, this little sander has its own dust collecting bag, but still, there was piles of dust here on the bench. Quite a bit of dust in this dust collector. Oh, that's got the old crappy green off the board anyways. See if we can go a little faster on these larger boards. Oh, it definitely takes it off. And the dust collector over here is still working really good. Even though this belt sander is throwing a lot of dust in the air, it's all getting captured right here on this filter. This kind of points out the one problem with recycling. It takes a lot of fussing to get the boards into a condition that you want to use them. So the time spent kind of washes out the cost savings of using recycled wood. Just about now I realized that I've been using the sander when I had that perfectly good number 80 scraper over on the bench. Well, the belt sander took 4 minutes and 7 seconds. The scraper did the same part in 2 minutes and 53 seconds. And the scraper had to go back over where the belt sander had gone because the belt sander didn't do it good enough. Compared to this belt sander with 50 grit sandpaper on it, this number 80 kicked its butt. I need to find a place to put this on the wall right here so it's right in front of me and I don't forget it again. Well, that was an exercise. The dust collector does work well, and there are going to be times when I want to use the sander. Not anywhere near as much as I used to. Because this little scraper does a great job. And when I do need to use the sander, this little lashed up dust collector did a tremendous job. Sit right there at the end of the bench. There were piles of dust here on the end of the bench, but none of it got into the air. You can see, normally I'd have a pretty good cough by now, especially if I wasn't wearing a dust mask. No problem at all. Nothing in my nose, and there isn't that floating stuff in the air. This is just an old house fan, and I think this was a $3 filter, so time and money well spent. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.